Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to use Google products more effectively. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps in incognito mode and why you might want to do that. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. Google Maps is a great app for finding directions, exploring new places, and discovering local businesses. But sometimes you might not want Google to track your location or save your activity on the app. Maybe you are planning a surprise trip for someone, or maybe you just want to keep your privacy and not let Google use your data to personalize your experience. That's where incognito mode comes in. As the name suggests, the incognito mode in Google Maps prevents your activity on the app from being saved to your Google account. This includes activities like the places you search for or navigate to. Once you enable incognito mode, Google Maps will no longer save your browsing or search history in your account. So, how do you turn on incognito mode in Google Maps? It's very simple. First, open the Maps app on your phone or any Android phone or tablet or an iPad. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Now simply select Turn on Incognito Mode from the menu. You will see a splash screen and a message will pop up with some information about what Incognito Mode does. Tap Close to proceed. While you are in incognito mode, your location dot on the map will be black instead of blue. Your profile icon will also be replaced by a hat and glasses icon. And there will be a black banner across the top of the screen. Now, to turn off incognito mode, tap the hat and the glasses icon in the top right corner of the Google Maps app and select Turn off Incognito Mode from the menu. That's it. You can now use Google Maps in incognito mode whenever you want to keep your activity private and not share it with Google. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Google tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.